Hello guys, welcome to the Data Tuning channel. This marks the inaugural video in a series of tutorials on data science field I've recently delved into, and I'm excited, very excited to share it with all of you guys. My name is Laurindo Benjamin. I'm a data engineer and software developer, specifically and backend developer. Okay. Uh, Before we dive into the introduction, let me give you a glimpse of what we're exploring in these tutorials. Okay, in these tutorials, we're gonna starting about things like distinguish data science from business intelligence, outline the data science and machine learning process, describe basic data science terms, roles, skills, and applications of these kind of knowledges, distinguish popular models used in data science and machine learning as well, identifying data preparation steps that will help you explore your data, remove errors, and structure it to be easier to work with all of these data. So, and lastly, we're gonna learn about evaluate model results. So, as introduction to this first tutorial, I would like to discuss the importance of the data science in industry, the impact of the data science in business, in the business company. Okay, given the widespread adoptions of AI across various domains like business, science, and industry, it is evident that the landscape we knew just 2 years ago is transformed significantly. And for business leaders, these shifts necessitate embracing novel approaches to conducting business. It is not surprising that many companies are actively seeking answers to critical questions like who are the most likely customers to purchase our products? Which production process can be automated to cut costs? These inquiries find their solutions at the intersection of statistics and computer science, and more specifically in the field of data science. And for this, there is probably the most important question that we have to answer right now is what is the data science? What is exactly data science? We're gonna answer this question at the next video. Okay, so till that, please subscribe this channel, turn on the notifications, and make comments. Cheers.